Located in the Jackson Hole Valley in western Wyoming, next to a band of cottonwoods and aspens occupying the former riverbed of the Snake River, Black Fox Ranch consists of a couple's primary residence and a cedar-clad barn. The main house is designed in an L-shape, two-story structure that gradually rises from the ground. The house is located near the barn and pastures to ensure that horses are a constant visual presence. Designed by CLB Architects, it draws inspiration from the site's history as a working cattle ranch with 100-year-old irrigation ditches, remnants of a 19th-century trapper's cabin, corrals, and game trails, seasonally frequented by 400-plus head of elk that crisscross the 35-acre ranch. The neighborhood has access to miles of private riding trails that access the Snake River and Grand Teton National Park. The barn, corral, and pastures are situated close to the residence, ensuring that the horses are a constant visual presence. The choice of location for this home was influenced by the residents' appreciation for wildlife and conservation, as well as their love of horses and the desire to return the land to its historic roots as a working ranch with livestock and hay production. The barn follows a design vocabulary similar to the main house. The house and barn are defined by elemental forms and materials that reference the site's past. The long slope of the roof is structured with a cross-laminated timber, CLT roof system. The entrance is located near the center of the house, where the two bars meet. Visitors enter a double-height atrium with a tall glazed wall that offers an immersive view of the landscape. The house is located near the barn and pastures to ensure that horses are a constant visual presence. White oak and polished concrete floors, custom steel and walnut millwork establish a sense of earthy warmth and grounding. On one side of the atrium is the common zone, containing an open-plan kitchen, dining area, and living room. These spaces connect with outdoor amenities such as a pizza oven, fire pit, and sheltered dining terrace. The expansive projection of the second floor provides cover for an outdoor dining terrace that frames views of the Teton Mountains to the west and the Gros Ventre Range to the east. On the other side of the atrium are more intimate areas, an office, gym, and sauna, along with guest rooms. A garage is at the far end of the plan. The upper level, designed to be compact, houses a primary suite with a glass-lined balcony and an office with access to a rooftop deck. Titanium-toned travertine clads the fireplace in the primary bedroom. A palette of dark-stained cedar, steel, and board-formed concrete defines the exterior of the buildings. New topsoil and native seeding were added to restore the land, and the newly planted bosque of aspen trees introduce shade and establish a sense of placemaking. Black Fox Ranch is a legacy project that allows the owners to return to their equestrian roots while bringing the historic ranch into the future. It is a testament to thoughtful and intentional design that seamlessly blends with the natural landscape, paying homage to the site's history and creating a harmonious relationship between the built environment and the surrounding wilderness. CLB architects have masterfully crafted a residence and barn that not only serves as a functional and sustainable living space, but also tells a story of conservation, history, and a deep appreciation for the natural beauty of Jackson, Wyoming.